Where's Haley Santa? Go up and see Haley Santa. Up there. Up there. Come on, this way. Come on. Where's Haley Santa? Wow. How many?
1, 2, 6, 4. Pick one, Daddy.
What?
Pick one.
Pick one.
Okay. I pick one.
Wow. What is it? What is it?
I don't know. Mine's.
Wow. Oh!
Oh, good.
Oh!
That one. Nice. And the eggs. And the supper.
What's that? A big one.
Big ones.
What's in the tree? Look, look, look. Up there. In the tree.
What is it?
A present.
Oh my!
Present.
Did Santa give you lots of surprising?
Yeah. I know.
Wow! There's more on the tree.
Oh. Oh.
There's more on the tree.
Oh, here. Up there?
Yeah.
Small box.
Yeah. Okay. I'll go. Next one. Okay, the next one.
Is it a train?
Yeah.
Surprise egg train? Look over there.
Here.
Look there.
Yeah.
Wow. What's that?
It's up there.
Surprise egg?
Present.
A train?
How about you put this one? How about you put it on the box? Surprise it.
Okay.
Yeah, you share with Audrey and Raymond. Wow, Santa was good, huh?
Yeah. Fun.
How many?
2.
How many?
Okay, take it.
Take it for the
How about the other one, the choo-choo train there? Are you gonna go give a hug and kisses to Santa?
Yeah.
Okay, go. Go give a hug to Santa. Yeah, bye. Say thank you very much, Santa. Say Merry Christmas. Go say Merry Christmas. And say thank you for the dresses.
Dresses.
Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Thank you for the toys. Go say put us down now. Good. Thank you for the toys
Thank you for toys.
and the dresses.
Dresses.
And I will be good girl next year.
Go there.
Okay, give a hug and kisses. Say, I love you, Santa.
I will remember.
All right.
Your feet.
My feet. Think of my feet.
Stuck your feet?